lovely audience, welcome to Tandemia Kalimala. So guys, how are you doing? Hope that you're all doing fantastic. I'm doing over the moon. So guys, don't waste valuable time. Let's get started.
Yeah, my dear friends, as you can see right now we're seeing a very much incredible place. Truly speaking, right now we're seeing a tremendous place. As you can see right now we're seeing in a fair, and this fair is located under Dinajpur district under Birgan Supajala. And to be honest, it's our home district. That's why we have come here right now. And truly speaking, this fair is really so much traditional and there is so much oldest fair in our area. That's why today we have come here. So, without wasting our valuable time and without further ado, let's get started. So my dear friends, truly speaking, this fair is really so much traditional and one of the oldest fair for all the people. That's why we have come here. Truly speaking, this fair is located in the same area and same Upajala. That's our own Upajala and also that's our own union. So that's why today we have come here. As you can see, there are so many people are buying and crossing the road. So that's why today we are so over the moon. So right now, my dear sister will tell you something about this fair and why she has come here. Maliha, don't make delay. Start right now.
Definitely, as you mentioned, I'll share with you. As you can see, right now I'm staying here and you know what's the reason behind it, that I just have come here for visiting. That is a fair and this called Kalimala fair, or I think that I will enjoy a lot, have fun, and you know right now I'm here and if you come here you can enjoy a lot when you are feeling so monotonous. That's why I'm coming here. So don't think like this way that I'm just feeling boring. That's why I'm coming here. There are a lot of things you can enjoy, also you can buy it. So that's it.
Okay, thank you so much, my dear sister Maliha, for sharing your thoughts and feelings. So, my dear friends, as you can see, right now we're seeing at a fair, and right now we're seeing at a place where we can see the buffalo. Truly speaking, Maliha, are you really fond of buffalo and do you like it so much?
Yes, I love it so much. The matter is, sorry, guys, that I'm so fear of this buffalo, and I see my mind goes black, but I feel that also it is really scary. How do you think?
Yeah, it's really scary, but really so important. So thank you so much, guys. Let's see in another video in another place. So my dear friends, as you can see behind me, there are so many horses. Truly speaking, this is one of the greatest part of Tandemia Kalimala under Birgan Supajala, Dinajpur district. So today we are so happy and over the moon because we have come here after 1 year. Every year in this season it happens and a lot of people come round around the Bangladesh and round around any kind of district of the world to see the beauty of this fair. So my dear friends, if you have any kind of such a great fair and great opportunity, you can go right there and make conversation and blog video. My dear sister, would you like to share something that why have you come here and do you like horse or not?
First of all, I would say that I prefer horse most, but the matter of sorrow that is a little bit scary and it scares me, so that's why I cannot go so close to this horse. But I feel so enjoyed and have fun.
Okay, I got it. So Maliha, to be honest, I'm really exhausted. You look so beautiful and delighted, energetic. So would you like to finish this video for today?
Definitely, thank you so much. And guys, I hope you enjoyed a lot for watching this vlog video, and I also want to say you that we have explored a lot of things. So guys, don't delay to subscribe and follow Muwaj and Maliha English Tour. Bye for today.